Happy Friday Eve, aka Thursday. Let's put this so it's not so. Alright, do that. Hope everybody had a great night. We gotta clean a little bit of wire here. See? Bronze.
Este no.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mira, él dice que este es bronce.
Oh, that's so cool. I bet it worked. It's so cool.
Mira, esto hay que picarlo.
See if this works. I gotta find a battery. It's the second one I found like this. That's so cool. Alright, 20 on that. Vintage. Brass. Unclean 3, and then the wire. Basura. Basura. The cable, see, look. No. No. Safe. Safe. I'm gonna have around a little more than 20 bucks. 25. I haven't done a breaking down video in a while, but I have no clue what this thing is. But this is brass. I don't know if it's some air canister for a truck or something, but we're gonna try and take this thing apart. Come on. Sometimes you of course. No. I guess not. I'm gonna need to get a heavier gun, so we'll be back. Round 2. Let's see if this does it. Yep. It's spreading is why it's doing that. Ah, there's a coil in here, so the tension, see, that's right. So if we just take the torch and go pa-tink, pa-tink, that'll, but yeah, I think no matter what gun I use, you're not going to be able to get this thing. Let's see if that helps it. No, watch out that it, nope. This is, there's that one. And see, this is just under major tension. Nope. But yeah, so that's why it's not coming apart, is because of that spring right there. But I'll get it apart. Just take it to dialer, and in 5 seconds. Bing! I cut the bolt, and she went bing! Yeah, I think this is threaded on, and I don't have a vise big enough to undo it, but it's just gonna go in the dirty brass. But I think that they will accept it now. If I didn't take it apart, I don't think that they would, I think they would have rejected it. So that's why I did that. Is it worth taking apart? No. Hopefully it comes out. And you're back. You're back. You made it.
Well, for the weekend anyway.
For the weekend anyway.
Heavy first?
You can. Motors?
He's okay?
Yeah, I think so. Look at that cute little guy. Huh?
That was empty. They go banging.
84 on motors.
Yeah.
People were asking about you.
Yeah. Like dead in the water.
Yeah. It's probably $1,000 to fix that, right?
I would say.
If you got to buy a rear end. Then the yoke, the U-joints, the yoke, the whole rear end.
A lot of this is aluminum. Aluminum light.
Yeah.
Pretty much sure it's all.
Go ahead. Yep. Right iron. Yep.
And then those.
These you gotta save. This you can just dump in there. Yeah. Oh, the wind got that one. Oh, the wind totally got that one. It did. It went near. Hey, 2 for 3, 66. We'll just give him this one instead. I have no clue where that went. Yep. No. Oh, there goes my radio. Probably why they can't hear me. Right, I can't hear them. Some what? We'll see. Oh, look at that nice little guy. That's a speck or crappie. Speck or crappie, wherever you are, what they call. Oh yeah, speck or crappies. They're called different things in different parts of the country. Can you read that? That 45 ACP or 9mm? I think that says 5 ACP. 40 or 45?
40.
40? I believe that's it.
Yes.
You gotta take apart.
Oh, it's not going to happen.
Then it goes out there.
I don't care.
He's I don't care. I don't care. I like the chunk of copper. Holy cow.
I don't have time to take it off. I need to dispose it.
Brass? Brass?
Yes.
Brass, yeah. Wow,
Brass,
there's some...
copper, brass.
It's good stuff. Man, I never... Copper. It's all number one. Oop. Number one.
I'm sorry.
Just throw in your copper, huh? Number two. That's number two. Oh my gosh. Was this
Copper.
I know.
Yes.
Was it a 4x8
Yes.
sheet?
Yes.
That must have been very expensive.
Yeah, I worked for, it was for GE. I had to make
Heat sinks? $72. Number two. These guys can't be in here.
Just deduct something.
Well, I gotta take it out. I can't leave it in there. I can't.
It's not about the money. I don't need it.
I know. No, I know. I'm gonna go.
Ah. I don't need this. I have too much shit. God, you should go for basketball.
I played.
You did?
Yes. High school.
Okay.
I'll throw this in there. That won't matter. What's that? Alright, so it's not that long. Okay, now we'll do the brass. 11 on number 2.
Here, this is Brian.
Yep. Hold on, let me get this. 11. Number 2 is 88. Right, okay.
Hey, what are we doing?
We gotta take it off the spool. Because it's steel.
I don't care. Here, you throw it.
I don't care. Alright, we'll be back.
Oh, shit. Hey, you can pull this down. Here, you pull this pin.
A lot easier. Got the trailer loaded today to go in tomorrow. I need you to pull forward so I can put this on the scale and then back up for all the round. Keep going, keep going. Wait. Okay. Now we go and zero that. That's 326 pounds. 326. My hand is on the chair, so it's not steady. Motors. That's a good load. Over $700. Very heavy. That zeroed, yep. Right there's all day. Oh, okay. These were rollers, right?
Yeah, from printing press.
Yeah, printing press. Yeah.
Oh, that goes too.
Dead lizard. Okay. I gotta take this out. We got a bale to take out. Customers to deal with. $758. Can you get it from the back? Should fit through there. Towards the bottom. We'll go on the bottom one, like right there. Let's try it. I don't know if that's gonna do it. Yeah. Then we'll put it on the ground and drop it in because I think she's in a bind. This little sensor right here, it's on order. So, let's see. Go for it, Al. Sucks you put this on the bottom.
Yeah, I know. Alright, come back in.
Next load, right? Next load.
Oh, hell no.
Well,
I don't even have time to get back.
so you can have time. That's Jill. I don't want them, Jill. I don't want those. Yeah, but then yeah, because I can't take them because it's got too much stuff on them. No. Maybe you can back up to David or something, you know. Yeah. I don't know. Unless the shear can chop them in half to get the motor part. I don't know. There's no Miguel, no Logan. I don't know. Devin's here somewhere. It'll be all right. It'll be all right. Okay. Yep. All right. Bye. Is that gonna be it for the time being?
Yeah. Whatever you think.
That be it?
That we can take out, yeah.
Yeah. $89, Al. Got a bale to take out, but we gotta do all this cleanup in order to get the bale. Big old sump pump. Clang, clang, clang. Oopsies. Get a bin too for all these AC coils. It's almost the weekend, people. Almost the weekend. hop in the forklift. Right, push this over. Nice looking brick right there. He shouldn't be in here, but I have to tell him that. I think we're good. Oh no. Like, it might have gone for... all these. Another big bin of the bus stuff that they brought in yesterday. It never ends. Like, it just never ends. Said if we can get Glenn here, holy cow, between him and Dyler, the pile would be gone in about a month. As long as we didn't get a lot of stuff in, they could go through the pile. Find some radiators or something. right, look who's rolling in. Let's see. Check that out.
Oh, I'll take it.
Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. That's inch thick copper plate for your subscribers to look at that.
Nice stuff right there.
This is 32 pounds.
32 pounds. Wow.
That
$100 right there.
Right, yeah. That was at one time a 4x8 sheet, he said.
Really?
And he made heat sinks. Like copper heat sinks.
Why?
For the military. So. Number one. I figured I'd show you that. What? He also made these, hey, he also made brass bolts. Or,
made them?
Yeah. See, like, see with the brass rod?
I would think they would be cheaper to buy than with
I don't know. That's the coolest thing to come in today.
That's pretty fun.
Same guy.
Same guy.
$800.
Wow.
What do we got?
I need a day like that.
A whole battery?
I got a whole battery.
You got a whole battery.
I might keep that ticket to O'Reilly though.
Of course.
I'm not gonna.
What about that one up there?
What one?
The one in your...
Oh. They reminded me of that yesterday and I forgot.
I actually need that one. I need 4 of them.
So, so this is a half gun?
I need 4 of these so I can do my last layer. Cause,
oh, they're on the edge?
yeah, because I put them underneath so it'll sit. So now I need 3 more and I can put these up there.
I think
Because when you get the golf cart ones, it makes the stack all uneven.
I got 1 or 2 more of the stories, maybe.
Yeah,
I think.
it'll come in. It'll come in. 1 1/4. Is that all the scrap? Fishing pole, yeah, or tackle box. I'll give that to Dyler. All right, now we got to get the jokes. No, no! Oh, it's gonna make a mess. You know, all you gotta do is do that clamp. It's on. look at him.
Look at him.
No, you're gonna make a mess.
I'm not gonna make a mess.
What do you mean you're not gonna make a mess?
I'm not gonna make a mess.
Yeah, how are you not gonna make a mess?
I'm good at this, Jeffy.
$100 right there.
$100. Here it is. It's yours.
$100 right there. Man, this must have been part of a salt pool. That's a rough shape.
Clean I did that, Jeffy. Like I knew what I was doing.
Should I intentionally forget that on there?
What's that?
Or should I intentionally forget that since you cleaned it inside the yard? Wife, I'm pregnant.
It was not in the yard.
This
Actually, it says property though. They changed the sign and said you can't go to property.
Wife, I'm pregnant. Husband, hi pregnant, I'm dad. Wife, no you're not.
Horrible.
That's great.
What has a head and a tail, but no body?
What has a head and a tail, but no body? Shadow.
A penny.
A penny. Yes, true. How are husbands like wine?
get better with age.
Well, close. They take years and years to fully mature.
That's true. That is so true. What do magicians like to eat for breakfast?
Lucky Charms.
Tricks.
Tricks. That was also... Now, going off the husband, why is being married worse than having to go to work?
Married worse than having to go to work. I plead the fifth.
Because at least with work, there's a chance you'll get a new boss.
What is the smartest animal?
It's the smartest animal. What?
A snake.
A snake?
Because no one can pull its leg.
Ah, dang it. That's bad. Yeah. Yeah. At least a couple more feet. This is the hard part. Am I good on that side? He's like, oh my God. Huh? That saves a lot.
We weren't doing it like that before, though.
No.
I was fucking hand on it.
Handle out, yep. Yes. It did go down. 306, 10 cents. $397.
Yeah.
It's good? I'll make sure.
Took about 200 pounds out of it. I should have left it in there, huh?
No, you would have been
A little over.
over, yeah. Yeah. Trying to put the blade back on here. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. A little bit. Try that, Manny.
What does he gotta do?
That's what she said.
It's been a slow day for customers. Got a nice little mountain there of aluminum. I think the fuel system on the yellow baler, because he changed the, he took the fuel filter off and they had black stuff. Probably from it sitting for so long before we got it. I don't know if he put it back on yet, but hopefully tomorrow I can use it. So we got to bail all this, like all that. this piece of stainless. It's a little rusty. Stainless don't rust. Oh. Good stainless. One more grab for him. No, no. Yep. Yep. If you want to put those right over there, watch your head.
Put them on the bottom.
Yeah, just where, not on the pallet, because I got to do something with them.
Put them on.
Just right there. Yeah. One more ladder. 18. Not yet. No, we got to do the bikes if they're aluminum.
Bike first. All right. I thought they were aluminum.
Yep. Yep.
I thought they were aluminum.
They're aluminum. Yeah, I can't do that yet. Because that's all one scale.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. 64.
Oh, I see it.
All right. I'm gonna say 2 pounds. 2 pounds.
Let me get the £250 of this too. £250.
10.
How much you weigh?
10 pounds.
Huh?
10.
Oh, can we have a little bit?
29 bucks.
29 bucks.
Yeah.